Hey everyone, I am using a 4x12 canvas today. I have had these laying around my house for a long time, so I figured I just might as well try them out. I have my palette paper up here. Usually I have it off to the side, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see everything that I mix, but I'll make sure that I list all of my colors below the video. I'm mixing Turquoise and Hansa yellow medium. I'm going to carry my painting all the way over to the sides. I kind of like this washy sort of look, watercolory look, I guess. I might leave that like that and just go super simple today. And then I'll just mix a couple of little marks here. Just so everything's not going in the same direction. I'm going to leave that for now and put a layer on the sky. I'm going to add some white and some teal to my palette. And I'm going to keep using this larger brush. It's a little green in there, which will probably be fine. I'm going to do the same thing with just these large brush strokes with the different colors on my brush. I didn't really have a plan when I started this, but I'm happy with the way that it's coming out. I just have a wet brush. I used the same one, so there's a little green mixed in, which is not on purpose, but it came out cute, so I'm leaving it. And then I just picked up white and turquoise at the same time. And I'm just letting it do whatever it does as I brush the canvas. Wet my brush a little more. Kind of want to keep going with it, but it's cute the way that it is, so I think I'm going to force myself to stop. Even though this only took 5 minutes. I wasn't expecting that. If you paint something inspired by this tutorial, I would love to see it. If you want to post it to Instagram, please tag me. I'll put my Instagram below the video. You can find me on most social media at Elle Byers Art. Maybe just a couple puffs of white. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Short and simple. I hope you enjoyed this demo today. Thanks for following along.